Hey, it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel for a series of super cute and coquette hairstyles. Every holiday season, it's the perfect time to play with bows. I did do a short form video with a bunch of bow and braided hairstyles like 2 years ago, but I thought I would amp up the coquetteness and just bring you more ideas for 2024. I wouldn't say coquette is my everyday style. It's super fun to play with, but this is more my everyday look. It's a little bit more bohemian, maybe a little bit whimsical, but my loungewear is typically coquette. So I hope you like seeing some super cute loungewear, easy holiday hairstyles, and also some hair care tips. This is how my hair dries, so it's pretty straight, but these looks can be done on any hair texture. Wispy bangs to me are so coquette, so I'm trying out this Sully Pixie Topper, which is for hair loss, but it's a little bit more convincing for clip-in bangs because there isn't a clip that you can see where it starts or ends. This is real human hair, creates instant volume, it's natural looking, so I've trimmed baby curtain bangs and then curled them under and set with hairspray. Loving it. And for the first style, it's super easy. Brush out your hair, grab 2 side sections, and then smooth the back over. Separate into 3 equal strands and braid normally all the way down. Use a mini plastic elastic, and while I love pulling apart braids to make them super fluffy, I'm only pulling apart the top section so it looks very loose and soft, but I love the more polished braid with straight hair for this style. I'm going with so many bows with this top and in the hair. You can tone it down, but I love this set from Anthropologie. I think the bangs really add to it, so if you already have curtain bangs or little wispy bangs in general, this first style is super cute and I'm calling it the soft princess braid. Next look is even easier. We're picking up 2 front sections and pulling back to create a pigtail that's in the position that's near the back of the head. Use a mini plastic elastic to secure. With any look that I'm taking a section from the front of the hairline, I'll pick up just a small front section and then a little bit of hair where I want the ponytail to end, so I have as much hair as possible flowing downward. That way you don't end up with parts of the scalp showing. Finally, tie in little bows. This happened by accident, but I think it turned out really cute when the end stuck straight up. It reminded me of Cindy Lou, and I added a bit of hairspray to keep the bows in place. I'm calling this look Wrapped in Bows. Loving these lightweight and breathable bangs with this style too. While my hair is already sectioned backwards really nicely, let's just flip the hair upside down, and my favorite way to do a ballerina bun is to not use any elastic. Just twist the hair straight up and then around itself and you get a really pretty ballerina shape. You can fluff it out and ignore this piece of hair that's sticking up at the side. I had a chunk of hair fall out. It's growing back. You can see it in the intro as well, sticking up, and I didn't notice somehow. But then just secure this bun with bobby pins. Make sure to get a little bit of each tiered bun section and pin it to the base of the hair near the scalp. Since I'll be covering a variety of hairstyles, I want to switch up my hair texture so this inspires you no matter if your hair is straight, wavy, or curly. Huge thank you to Kitsch for sponsoring a portion of this video. Here's a haul of everything they sent over, from their microfiber quick dry hair towel, claw clips, gentle detangling brush, and this is my brand new rice water protein strengthening shampoo and conditioner bars. I brought these with me to Europe when I was traveling this summer for my wedding. They're so lightweight, you don't have to worry about any spillage in your suitcase. My pre-washed hair definitely could use some moisture at my ends. And when I'm not traveling, this caddy system is super organized, and these bars are formulated with rice water, which was all the rage on TikTok a while ago. Rice water helps repair damaged hair follicles and prevent split ends. For the conditioner bar, I don't really lather it up as much. I apply through the ends on either side and you get a nice evenly dispersed conditioning treatment. The solid form is eco-friendly, reducing single-use plastics, so if that's something that you're trying to reduce, these bars are a great option. And to save time, I had my hair up in the Kitsch microfiber towel for a bit, but then I did blow dry it just to move this video along. Here's my hair after the wash, frizz-free, ends looking hydrated. Use my code JackieWyers or click the link in the description for 25% off your first order. These heatless rods are from Kitsch as well. They have so many hair accessories, silk pillowcases, lots of things that are great for gifts. Kitsch ships in the US and over 27 countries, and they offer a subscription option for even bigger savings. I've noticed a new method with overnight curls where girls are using rods forward for the front two sections to get tons of volume, but I haven't quite got the hang of it. It does look really nice, like the face framing curls look gorgeous, but I wouldn't say I get as much height as I've seen. Maybe it's just my hair type, or I need to like change the angle. Sprayed some dry shampoo, ran my fingers through, and here's the cute and coquette curls. Let's move on to more simple braided hairstyles, perfect for the holidays. And taking one section from the front of the hairline and one further back, simply twist those pieces towards each other and secure with an elastic. Then finish braiding, and add a cute bow at the top and the bottom section of the hair. I think I featured this look in the first bow hairstyle short I did a couple years ago, but I just love it. I think it's so cute on curly, wavy, or straight hair. Tip for taking out these mini elastic hairstyles, pull up the elastic from your hair and then just cut it. Make sure you don't have any of your actual hair in that. I only like to use those little elastics if I'm going to be wearing the style for a while, otherwise it's just not worth it. This next look is adorable pigtails. Take two sections, one from the front, one from the back, but larger this time, and twist together. Hold the two twisted pieces, adjust around the face to get some beautiful volume. Take the same size section from behind and in front of to start the braid, and incorporate more hair each time till there's no hair left to include, and then 2 or 3 stitches of a normal braid. Tie off with a plastic elastic. Also, all these styles, apart from the bun, can be done on much shorter hair too. With this style, let's really fluff up the braid. This makes the hair look super thick and really romantic. Other side, twist the two sections. You can do a butterfly twist. I just hate doing butterfly twists. I always find some little hairs get caught or tangled and it pulls, so that's why I just twist. This time I waited to the end before fluffing up that front section, and then the braid. Either way works. I could have created these styles without heat, but I did want to touch up the front sections and add a little bit more curl. And I just tied ribbon without a bow this time. Twirled the heatless curls to be more like ringlets, so let's call these ringlet piggies? I don't know. This next idea I was gonna cut out, but then I was like, nah, I'll leave it in. I had this rosette ribbon from Michaels and the 2010s live on in me. I just tied it and then twisted each of the ends around each other. Created another little rosette shape. This brings me back to American Apparel days. I realized that making a DIY American Apparel twisted headband like this was one of my first ever videos, so I had to include it. Finally, this last style we're gonna do, I find it easier to Dutch braid than like a classic French braid. My hands just seem to want to go under rather than over, but you could do either. I'm grouping in a small piece from each side and then regularly braiding the rest before fluffing up the top section again. This helps if you did the style kind of quickly. It really hides a lot of imperfection as well. Flip the pigtail under and add an elastic to create a bun. Because my hair is quite a bit of length, I wrap the end around the elastic and then shove the ends underneath that braided section and secured with a pin. Then I pulled the ribbon through the loop and tied a bow. This one feels really young and very coquette. How cute would this be on a little girl? Like, someone please do this to your daughter. Again, it reminds me of Cindy Lou Who or Anna from Frozen. I'm wearing the same little hairpiece, though it looks lighter here than in the earlier clips. I think I just moved a light box and it's hitting my bangs a little bit more directly. And let's call this style Belle Buns, because they remind me of golden Christmas bells. Comment below if you have a favorite. I gave each one of these a fun little name. And if you haven't done your holiday shopping yet, I know Black Friday has come and gone, but if you still need some gift ideas, I did put together a boutique and I have gifts under $30, under $50, and under $100. They're super cute. They're more my style, so there's like a couple coquette pieces, but for the most part, just some of my all-time favorite things. I'll have it linked below if you're looking to shop. And finally, if you want makeup inspiration to go with these coquette hairstyles, while I don't have a coquette makeup tutorial on my channel, let me know if you want to see that. I do have a sugar plum fairy look that's very pink and sparkly, and I'll see you in my next video.